Hey there, thanks for clicking. Today on HISD Now, Future 2 schools are taking their next steps. HISD is hiring, and your next chance to apply in person is coming up. Also, a big celebration over at Whittier Elementary, Name That Book results are in, and a campus close-up inside a Revere Middle School engineering classroom. It is Wednesday, March 4th. Well, Future 2 schools are coming to HISD. Last night at C. Martinez Elementary, K-8 educators were invited to learn more about the Future 2 model during a town hall with Superintendent Mike Miles. The session gave teachers a closer look at the program as both C. Martinez and Gregg Elementary get ready to transition into Future 2 campuses in the 2026-27 school year. And last night wasn't just about learning the model, it was a chance for educators to explore what it could look like to teach at a Future 2 campus.
I'm just looking forward to the change. I'm looking forward to the opportunities that are here. I'm looking forward to seeing what else is different that'll prepare our students for the future and beyond. Our students deserve an education that equips them for the future, so I'm excited to hear about what that looks like here at Future 2. I'm a special education teacher, so I'm also excited to hear about the opportunities for me as a teacher for special ed.
So Future 2 model is basically where we are still honing in on our core academics. Those are strong. That is not negotiable. We still need to have our kids know how to read, write, and do math. But then it changes fundamentally in the afternoon where kids move through experience. They have 36 experiences in a diag where they go through pretty much project-based learning for students to hone in their durability skills, their critical thinking, knowing how to think, taking things to the next level.
And tonight, families are getting a chance to tour the campus and learn more about what's ahead. More to come on that. But with so many new and exciting offerings in HISD, the district is continuing to work on bringing the best teachers to HISD. This past weekend, we hosted a district-wide hiring fair. This is video from Lamar High School. And take a look right there. Events like these give educators the chance to connect directly with campus leaders, learn about different schools, ask questions about benefits and support, and even interview on the spot. In some cases, candidates walk away with same-day job offers. And the next chance to join HISD is coming up this month. This HISD Kickoff teacher hiring event is set for March 21st from 8 a.m. until noon at the Del Mar Fieldhouse. You can apply online at houstonisd.org under the Careers tab, or scan that QR code, or click the link. I'll drop that link for you in the video description right below. Well, over at Whittier Elementary today, there was a lot to celebrate. Check this out.
You guys increased 20 achievement percentile points in science.
Students were recognized for their academic growth, and our Houston Promise partner, the Port of Houston Authority, helped to make it an extra special day. So students received fun rocket-themed celebration packs filled with stickers and activities. It was just a little reminder for them to keep aiming high.
We're excited to be here today at Whittier Elementary as part of Houston Promise. We're excited about our partnership with HISD to support the school, to make both the teachers and the students feel seen, feel valued, feel celebrated.
We're here today to celebrate our students on the most recent NWEA assessment. And our students grew more than 10 achievement points. And so we are here today with our partners, Port of Houston Authority, and we are going to give our students prizes during lunch.
They are also sponsoring our celebration that we will start today, celebrating our students' MAP middle of the year growth scores. That is something very important because it recognizes our students' academic progress in a meaningful way, which reinforces the importance of achievement, of the effort, and just the continuous growth.
A big thank you to the Port of Houston Authority and all of our Houston Promise partners. We appreciate these businesses and organizations that continue to show up for our schools and our students.
Correct answer is number 2, watercress.
Now to some exciting results to share from HISD's Name That Book competition over at Waltrip. Now this is our district-wide annual reading challenge where students read a certain amount of books and then compete to identify those books by just one quote. Now check it out, in the K through 2nd division, there was a first place tie. Congratulations to T.H. Rogers and Coulter Elementary. Lovett Elementary earned 3rd place. And in the 3rd through 5th grade division, T.H. Rogers took 1st, Roberts Elementary came in second, and Lovett placed third. Congratulations to all of our student readers, and we'll have more results to share with you tomorrow right here on HISD Now. Well, Campus Close-Up is at Revere Middle School this week, and today I'm taking you inside one of their engineering classes.
So this is the I teach principal applied engineering. There's a 8th grade course, but it's also a high school course.
In Mr. Wayne Wise's room, students are learning through hands-on projects using 3D printing, design challenges, and real-world problem solving. And here's what's really impressive. They can earn high school credit while they're still in middle school. Tap that title banner right there to check out the full story. Before we go, 3 quick reminders for you. Pre-K applications are still open, so if you have a little one getting ready to start school, now is the time to apply. The deadline is April 17th. Our special education department is hosting this event later this month for senior students and their families so they can get connected to post-graduation resources and other community agencies. Don't forget to register. I'll drop that link for you in the video description right below. And don't forget, spring break booster kits are available while supplies last at our Sunrise Centers. They're filled with books, snacks, museum passes, and much more, all to help keep your little ones engaged over the break. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Have a great evening.